Alright, so big up on yourself. Thank you guys as always for watching. When you don't know it, go already. If for the first time you're watching the channel, make sure say you subscribe. And if you're a long time subscriber, make sure say you share up the video. Because that is very important for the video go far and wide. So boom. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you.
But I'm still confused as to how you managed to break your foot.
We soon talk about that, man. We just want to make it know, so I appreciate the fact that you come all the way from country to come look for me.
So you only call me when you're there for your lowest.
Babes, don't say that, man. Don't say that. You know the reason why make me send it down your mother country. Say because things went tough for me, and it was easier if you stay down with your mother.
So just like when you call me now that you need somebody because your foot broke. You could have called me all them time there.
That I chose still, but I never did think.
Anyway, I done there already. So what you thought today?
Well, a long story.
Every time you ask for something, you say I want a long story. Me not done there, tell me what go on.
Alright. She blocked me from her phone and she don't have my sister stay because me and she getting a little disagreement and she begs her move out.
When you and your daughter could have so.
Why? Sometimes you know say I say you go then pick me those things.
Tell me why your foot broke.
Alright. You know what say you know Ringo?
Of course me know Ringo.
Me and him did have some business agreement and we did owe him some money and I couldn't pay him at the time. So boy he just say I'm gonna try to set an example and he licked me and broke my foot.
Then I'm not trouble. So your name squash out everything already.
Well, me still have to give him back his money.
So you were Ringo and I come down here broke. Me not go do this just say now.
No man, me have one little thing from that to me. If you give back Ringo still in me not give him back.
I'm counting. Maybe counting.
I gonna need money out of it to buy medication and
This
something.
alone you have, which this can't buy medication, you have to go figure it out. So it's either you go make Ringo money stay here, or me no know you don't have money in your bank.
Alright, me figure it out.
But this can't keep me for all long you because me have to go look for my friend them. This can't go do.
I me soon work on some money, no worry your head. Here what happen. I want you to go down to my sister yard and just tell me that I say my foot broke and make she if she come up, make she come up here if she can. You know, because me I try to call her, she block me, so it is what it is.
Well, me can't promise you say me can't go right now, you know, because...
Me I beg you, man, do. Me not know other. Right now, me not have the can move on too tough on the foot. So me I depend on you.
If you could have put something on this, then we could have gone no. But
Yeah, me tell you
somebody forget the next money, because this can't do.
Me gonna make up your man, no worry yourself. Remember say if your name can't link me, you don't have no money if you get, and you get sitting, so no worry yourself. Alright.
Alright, I can go in, but I can't promise to say no.
No man, please, just go. Me really need help.
But I just don't know.
Before you go, give me a little piece before you go, you know.
You want me to give you a little piece? Alright.
No, to care touch your foot. No.
So I can't touch your foot, but you want a little piece.
All right, make it,
Stay still and keep yourself quiet here.
make it done. All right, go on.
Boy, you want a little piece. Yes.
What on?
Oh, God.
Then how much breeze blow you here?
Let me sit down on the seat, yeah.
Roxanne, what?
No, oh, I like to be there and we act surprised. So, me I say no.
Where you find me by the way?
Your father, you can't tell about.
Smithy, I know you nothing about the Monday. If I take come boy, you can go on, yeah?
What you mean?
I know why you nothing about the Monday.
Me confused because me got so him in one situation, right? And he called me and he said he need some help and me decide to come. Me come and me realize say he foot broke. So
What?
Me say,
What?
yes, he foot broke. Like me I saying call me saying he want some help and me come and me realize saying foot broke and he must say him and Ringo have a look at altercation and Ringo breaking foot. So he must say he want to talk to you.
Me no cut you. Don't make Wayne fool you and full up it and no
Wayne?
foolishness. Me not call him that daddy, because I deserve my respect. But listen to me. What? Me know you're my father talk for 1 good minute now. I mean, I don't know if you know him ways, but I'm going to tell you. I'm going to pinch you and tell you something. You know what year when him send you back a country? The man try to sell me out. Yes, sell me out to him friend and him co-worker and also the man when call Ringo was broke him up.
Oh, you nasty.
Sell me out because him take up drinking, smoke, everything that's bad the man take up. And when me decide so me can't take no more, I decide so me go and come down to my auntie. And all of that not stop him. Him still come down here, I'll dry one, jam me out of the yard, say me can't tell him what to do.
No, but this new to me. The only thing he said to me is in Ringo one piece of food and you know, and me and figure say a fight and it lead to that.
Roxanne?
Me never.
Dwayne take the money from Ringo when he give me and penny. Take weed and amount of weed and take from the man and can't pay him back. And I will tell me, say me if I just talk to Ringo for 1 little minute till him pay off Ringo. Tell me if it makes sense.
If we don't know what to say. If I did my parents, we don't know how mother feel and your father actually want help with you. Because I can't help him, I have to depend on the road. You understand? So just talk to him and see if I can help him 1 or 2 times. I end of the day your father, because I can't help you.
Roxanne, I don't promise nobody that, you know. But
Just do it for me. Just go hear what I'm saying. You can't do that?
none can tell me say I'm in change, you know. None can tell me say I'm change, you know.
Just go talk to him and hear him and say, me need to go on the road because my broke and I need that money.
You sure same foot because you sure know him saying that you have to come corrupt my mind for me sorry for him to come up there.
No, I don't have time for that. I'm money up on my mind. I don't have time for them something. Them say, I want to talk to him or come to you. Just talk to him and hear him have to say. I cannot help. Alright?
Me
So
will
just,
see what me can do. I don't promise nobody that.
just go, man.
Because myself, I
See
have
if I
to
can
see
cook some
still.
food. Yeah.
So you not cook
See
game?
you. No, me
What kind
no.
of lifestyle? How are the hell this? I don't know when this money I got change. Auntie?
There. What me really hear when I talk about you so about broke foot and vein and sitting.
No Roxanne, you remember Roxanne?
Mm-hmm.
No Roxanne, I can't tell me about Ringo broke Wayne foot and bow or him a call me and want to talk to me. I know why you not from them the people.
Remember say your father still you know.
I know auntie, but I know why.
Your father and people make mistake in a real life. Me make mistake, you make mistake, but him make one of the biggest mistake and me know say wrong. Hopefully he look into himself and see what he do. You understand and know say never right, a wrong thing he did a do. Well, if he foot broke for true, you can go look and find out if he foot broke and if you can help him, you help him. You understand? Remember say your father, just forgive him. You understand me?
That's true, yes, auntie. But I'm going to think about it first because I don't want to go up there and then him go and tell me no foolish when I don't want to hear.
With him broke foot in, I still have one dirty heart. They
What
tell you this and I tell you, although I know saying corrupt, but
same
listen.
same time, you not change.
Maybe God will change him one day. People can change. Listen to me I say, well, I will corrupt when we're ready. Hear me I say, no, I'm your father.
Alright, auntie, I go up there for soon grandma deal with me.
But I
Soon
stay
come.
now.
Alright, I'm not stay long, man.
Alright.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, man.
Daddy, I can come talk to you?
Yeah, come with daughter, please. Go and say so.
But they don't answer the so well again. Roxanne come down there to me say Ringo broke your foot. Daddy, this is all your fault, you know. You see, if you did listen to me stupid words and everything when I said to you, this would happen, you know. Daddy, Ringo broke your foot and thump out the eye. All manner of things him do to you, you know, Daddy.
Yeah, my daughter, sometimes I just saw life going, we make bad choices and stupid mistakes. But here we go, and me ask Roxanne to come down and come tell us so. Because I'm sure you block me. And I said, so I could even get to make you know so my foot broke.
Daddy, the amount of stuff where you do over the period of time, you expect him if you still keep contact with you? Daddy, you hurt me, you know. You hurt me.
I know my daughter, I know. I really do apologize for everything when I doing in the past, and this is an eye opener for me. I really learn from my mistakes. You understand? I'm not gonna make this happen again. I not do nothing like this and no business with Ringo. I just want him to get back in money. You understand?
So, Daddy, Ringo again get back in money. How much money you owe Ringo?
I don't know how Ringo get back in money. Almost 200,000 more Ringo.
What? You owe Ringo 200,000?
Yeah, man, in a weed money plus that they ain't give me figure and me use it.
I don't understand. What you do with 200,000 in a 2 week, Daddy?
Why? My daughter look at drinking and galavant and something. Money done. Money no value not at Jamaica, you know. So the money just blew up and I not even know me do with it.
Daddy, how you going to manage repair Ringo 200,000 and plus you have your medical? You know this go you need medication for this. And plus you have to go maintain it. Daddy, what not?
You did that wonder if you could at least even help me. All you have to do, I get one little work and see if you can help me pay back Ringo, please.
Daddy, you see we never love you. See we never love you. I will never do this. But anyways, me I go forgive you, but me not forget. We're going to try and see. We're going to put trees and grudge and everything on one side. And we're going to give you another chance. To prove to me say you change. And we're going to look and work. And we're going to help you pay off Ringo. And if me ever hear say you in a no dealing with Ringo,
Me not go back in and no dealing with Ringo. But on the other hand, still my daughter. I mean, I go back in the past because what happened already, you know. You know, so all of this could have avoided if you just did deal with Ringo.
Daddy, don't piss me off. You just tell me say you not deal back with Ringo, you know, and why you bring that up?
Sorry, sometimes my mind and my mouth just say some things when I say. I don't really mean say if you deal with Ringo, you know. I just say, well, Ray, I not make this happen again. I don't know if I'm more business with Ringo or nothing. But just focus on the relationship between me and you and getting back healthy.
Just don't worry about anything. I'm going to come back up weekend. And when we get the work, I don't know, I even give the money for get. We give Ringo myself or I give Roxanne for give him.
Alright then, thank you.
I don't want you in no deal with nobody.
Alright, thank you.
I go down before the rain start fall, so we call you.
Alright, my daughter, I love you here.
Alright, Daddy, I love you too. Later.
So when you come look for me again?
I'm not sure, but I definitely gonna come back.
Alright.
So give me your money now. You don't have money.
Why, God no. I told you even come last minute.
No, but I wouldn't excuse, man.
No, man, no, excuse, man. There's no ring on us thing and stay so. But right now, I bust the garage and I have 4 brand new tire I have to buy, you know. I have to have the first dollar.
So when you think you can make me get a thing?
From when somebody has some money for me, but be a little joke thing or something. But I promise you, man, you're going to get it.
Alright, don't worry about it, because somebody forgive me your money too. So when I get that, I make you know I come back and link you, cool?
So I mean, you'll buy 4 tires for me?
Yeah, why not?
Wow.
So just don't worry about it, it good. Later.
Alright, just let me know when I reach home, yeah?
Definitely.
What about my sister?
Alright,
I will tell her some football.
right, sir. This is no secret. Puss, rat, dog, cow, or junker know. Everybody know where you when they do and they know make you get that. And nobody tell me. Me just know. Nothing no hiding in them a little village and then area. No. This news that spread from the day you get it. Or the night where you get it. I don't care. I could have 1 minute after 2 or 3. Me know when I get it. Anyway, you see because you not listen to me? Because you feel say, oh, I know for me roof you under. You're your one big man. You're the work. And you're responsible for yourself. Me are just your sister. So you look for me, as just your sister. You not take my advice. That's why you get that. Eh? Can you imagine? You own a daughter. You sell out. Just at the sake of money. Eh? Me tell you say you're too greedy for a long time. Me no like your style. You need to stop it, and if you did listen, you wouldn't have a broke foot right now. You lie down in a bed when you should have gone to work. When you feel listen to me. You know mean your daughter no good. You're not no good daddy. You're a wicked daddy. Look what you do to your daughter. Your daughter should have go a art. Fi go study something where she want for better her life. Fi even can help you in the future. And look what you're doing. Can you imagine? Instead of my niece get fi go a heart, she have to change her mind, change up everything and go look work. All because of you, just to help you and your broke foot. Because you're not here. As she same one you did a sell out to dirty Ringo and the rest of man them. The rest of idiot co-worker them. And everybody else say they sell her out to. And because she not agree with you, you insist until you get your broke foot.
Alright, my sister. Me understand.
Me not hate you, But you dey act like I say anytime me tell me about you understand. If you did understand from the beginning, this couldn't happen to you. When you know
Yeah, but it
listen.
don't happen already. Me can't
It
change
do
it.
nothing already, and me dey bet you right now say any God make this a foot, you better you go back go do the same or worse.
No, sis. This is one lesson for me. Learn from a mistake. This as a eye opener for me. Know this happen. Me want many relationship with me and my daughter. I want to make sure say everything the power and level, So you know believe that people can change.
Yes, of course, but you act like you can't change. Cause you no hear none tall, you no listen, you no take no telling. Anything your mind tell you fi do, it you dey do. Look on dirty Ringo now. The money where Ringo give you, where you must borrow from him. Your daughter go have to work out all her young life and her young soul.
How easy
Eh?
payback that man. And I
And fi
mean
come give you money fi go give back dirty thief in Ringo.
easy payback. That and when my daughter pay back and my foot better, we will ensure so she get back the money when pay back. You have no client makeup? Even for buy like a medication or pay back ring off.
Me not treat you as a sin deserving, but me not take my money put in your hand. You understand? Me will help with the money fi Ringo get it back where you take from him. But not take no more from him after he pay off.
Alright, thank you, my sister.
Because me have other responsibilities. Me have things to take care of. And right now, me ready to spend it on my knees. Me ready not come help you about me go and buy medication. Not true, me heart no dirty. You hear? But me not take my money put in your hand. Anyway,
Alright, sis.
I check me did come check up on you. Me come look for you because I know say your foot broke because you're too torment.
Right.
You ever hear them say greedy choke puppy? Are you? Take that and learn from this.
Wait. Siron? Are you that?
What going Jess?
You lie down your
Just a chill out. Long time no see you.
See me I say for you. What?
No, just a go and chill out. So how's everything?
Boy. Not even know what to tell you say no. You know so we in foot broke?
Your father?
Yeah, bro.
How your father for broke in drop off a construction site?
You da better if that happen. No Ringo broke him foot because of some. Ah boy.
Ringo.
What do you mean? Yeah,
Wait,
Ringo.
why Ringo broke in your foot?
because in that try to sell me out to Ringo, and because it no work out, Ringo broke his foot and he take some weed and sitting and can't pay off Ringo. And Ringo end up broken his foot.
So your father, he still doing something?
Sir, I don't know what to tell you, say, no. I don't know what to tell you, say.
A lot happened since we break up.
We not changing, I did all have to move from up at the house, go down on my auntie. I could stay up there.
Well,
Right now, I don't have my auntie me there.
if you tell her the truth, you know, just, I don't know if you know, because I never really tell her, but Ringo, my cousin, you know.
What?
Yeah.
Ringo? We broke Wayne foot of your cousin?
Well, if I Ringo, where you are talking about,
From up at the weed farm, that the Ringo they attack?
yeah.
I don't know why first step for do right now, you know, arms around. I don't know what to do. I'm frustrated because Ringo check and say if he not get his money, he go and get a broken or something. I don't know. I don't know what to do. And him see that him down there cannot even help himself. I don't know what to do. I don't know the first step. I tell him say I'm going to try to figure out something to help him. I'm not even know if that going to work because I don't know the first step. And I don't know what intention Ringo have or when I time limit when I have. I don't know nothing.
Alright. We can talk to him. Ringo, my cousin, me and him very close. So, I know that I can reason with him and see if maybe he can just let it go.
You feel so? Yeah, we do that for me. You still love me, you know? You know you still love me, man. But if you can do that, I would really appreciate it, though. Because, yeah, I would appreciate it. And by the way, you need to unblock me. When I play with you, you need to unblock me.
I'm sorry, I did block you, sorry. But, me talk to him.
Alright then, do that later.
But you know there with nobody though.
Turn around, don't question me, huh?
Me call you, yeah?
Aye.
Yo, hear me I tell you, say. Make sure, say, by 12 o'clock me get my money.
Yo,
Yeah?
cuz.
Else that the whole family me a burn out some house, you know.
Cuz.
Yo, hold on. Yo, come here. Yo, hear me? Yo, make sure say by 12:30 me get my money. Oh, else that your whole family, mama and everybody a burn out. Yo.
Sound like a piece of business you deal with though.
Yo, some of them people here, brother, they just like them a try to test my faith in a dog. I truly didn't even know, say, yo, me broke up some foot and hand, boy, you know. Yo, I show me a cool out in a dog.
But I hurt nobody. But, you know what I'm saying? I have something to talk to you about though.
What I'm telling you now.
You remember other day when me and you did a talk, I water side?
Mm-hmm.
You remember a girl when me did tell you about, say me and she left?
I know they back together.
Well, we're not there back, you know, but me get back her number and think cause me kind of block her still. But me and her did a talk a little bit and you know say she tell me say you broke her father foot.
Hold on there. Are we in daughter you talk?
Me and her did it together. You remember when me did tell her say her father a pay me for money? And him did a pay me for money.
Rotted. But them are sitting on normal. Then when they try to set me up on the same girl, man.
And that she did tell me.
But you know look bad still, you know.
Hmm.
But let me tell you something.
Yes.
You see? Not because you see she come back round, you know. You know what I mean? So she might have be good, you know.
No, she don't come back around me, you know. It's just that me see her and she just tell me situation and me and I just talk and thing and she does say you broke her father foot and her father still have to pay you back your money. So because me and her did never really say we never really end on bad terms in our way, but I wonder if you could have probably say kinda let it go or maybe talk to her.
Then brother, you come here a while ago and you hear me on the phone. Who you think somebody that talk to? Eh? Who you think somebody that talk to? I did boy Wayne. And listen, you see like me might tell make his sister his daughter live, you know. But Wayne, I have to get back my money. I'm see them in mark, yo. Actually, I don't even know, dog. You know how much money me spend, brother?
So how much money we in owe you, so?
Yo, me never did a count, you know. But enough money me give him. For the girl get her hair done and everything. You get me, I say?
Mm-hmm.
And I be a style thing, brother. So me can't take them the styling thing. Them I must say a ring on me name, you know, dog. Me ring out face and you know, and cut out the you know, man.
I know, you know, but remember saying that me really care about her, you know, so I don't know if you can maybe just talk to her, probably make things slide a little bit. Do it for me, because remember saying, you know, you say if me need nothing as a cousin, me can ask you.
Yo, and that with family, you know, man. When it comes to family, you know, it's like soft up your heart, you know. But the best me out, hear me out, do. Me nah do your daughter nothing, you know. But we ain't have to go up on a payment plan. Your daughter good. You make sure say me tell the dogs and say, yo, don't do your daughter nothing. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Because of you. Tell the daughter so if you come link me have a word with her. You understand? I
Alright.
know that me know say you and her did a deal. Just so apologize to her. You understand? Because you don't know we not dealing with family woman, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And if me did know that. But I father brother because I greed man you.
No, me understand, man. Me feel the pain, because I ain't broke up me and she still, you know, but maybe we can get back together. But if anything, little more.
Alright, but still you have to give a hype on her, you know, man. You can't too trust woman, you know. But give them your heart and your soul and something. A long time me in this thing, you know. I mean never there with a thief in gallet, you know. You understand? And you see the fox, you come on my yard and you see me baby island and you feel like you want to take up one of them. You actually don't even know what you do. You don't know what you do, you know, girl. You hear? Oh. Oh, sorry about that, man.
Even.
Even where you going?
Nothing. Me hear say you want to talk to me.
Yeah, man, I want to talk to you, man, because you get to find out say you and Tyrone did the whole time. And Tyrone, I'm a little cousin. I don't know. I'm a
Mm.
principal man, you know. Respectable man, too. So, therefore, I can't even bother look your way again. Yeah, you look good, but me can't look your way again.
Ringo.
But you hear me I
Me
say?
no, me a talk. Me don't know why you call me for, because Tyrone already told me to talk to you.
Your father do a very, very, very serious thing. You understand? And me nah go let that go so. Me promise my cousin your protection and your safety. So, but your father, you have to give me back my money. And me a putting up on a little payment plan.
So me not think say I leg you go leg the thing. Why you
Make
say I go
bygones.
be
Well, I know.
outcome?
Just make bygones be bygones. Zin, your father owe me over actually 300,000. You understand?
Ringo, you too lie. My father tell me saying oh you 200,000. So oh you get 3,000, 300,000.
Hear me I say. With all of the
Is a loan in take
hear
for
me I
your
say
interest grow.
nobody can try mess with my brain right now, you know. Nobody can try mess with my brain right now, you know. Because I'm a cousin, make you could have even there so I turn up a chat to me, you know.
Listen, no worry yourself, you will get your money in full.
So hold on, let me ask you something. So when you got a singer and them place here ready cash and go take out loan, you know feel
It's
say
not, it's a loan.
interest grew up on it weekly.
No worry yourself, you Ringo, you will get your money and you will get it in full. I probably even get more than 300. You're too wicked.
Listen to me, just make sure say me get my money in time, you hear?
No worry your head, Ringo.
More cheap
Yeah, man.
Ringo.
Respect, man. Respect. I tell you, boy, I made a happen, man.
Oh yeah, say. Yeah, that hot you.
Mm-hmm.
So I want make you that.
Eh?
So what do you make you that?
Yo, if we talk to you too, you know, cause it's the one win.
Mm.
in daughter work up a thing. Because I get to find out, say, she there with my little cousin. So she make them a little payment plan. You understand? Because I don't know me can't bother look this again, You get me answer?
Yeah, man.
So, in daughter work up a little thing for sort out the money. So, here what I go on now. Just make it be known to the youth, say, man, make them know, say, yo, don't do the daughter not when them see her. You understand?
So then can't do a man sitting though.
No, man. You know here what I go on?
No, sir.
Right. Brother, they have to break up your one way in foot.
After you thump him up, you go broke up your foot.
See, brother, how come I say, brother, I go around the man, did I go around the thing, dog. You know the thing, yo. I cool out, I'm gonna want to go back in a cell one,
First me I hear that say they broke in foot, man.
Brother, I think in the street right now, lay low, me have to lay low, because I don't know if I'm going to police station and this, like,
But you have money, so you can buy your thing. For you all lay low for.
sometimes you don't even want to look up, some of them police boy, you don't even want some of them boy to come in your foot, because they might do something behind a closed door, dog, way.
Yeah.
You don't even want to get in and out trouble with some of them that come touch up your car. Some of them go on like say my bad boy a road, and them might do something behind a closed door,
When the door closed.
When the door closed. All the gas man, them and them. So, me not depend that.
Yeah.
So, me I go and lay low, so I hope say you not go inform her.
No, man, he can't go talk, man.
I'm going to tell the police now.
He can't go talk, daddy.
Rather day, me I notice something when they come on to the money,
Well, I notice.
The money not right. The two of them are coming in, You see me? And money are coming in. But the money not reflecting in the pan, dog. I feel like say the one finger, me need to have a word with him, Because,
Finger.
what you mean?
So finger, if he's a finger take. The money.
And brother, I deal with the tourists most time when they come in. They must say you deal with the weed and make sure it's everything is alright, Yeah, man, I feel say him, man. And him a deal with it, but yeah. Tell him, so I call him. Because I don't know, I'm not run no joke with no man this year when they come and say money thing, that.
Yo, finger.
Feel like that, no? Joke thing,
Yo, come here, daddy.
You hear me, I say?
What?
I notice from other day, you test my faith, I notice that the money are missing out of the pan,
What you say?
I mean what I say?
Yeah.
How I deal with the money?
Me I deal with everything, man.
So how come two of them are coming and the money now reflecting at the pan?
So how much money I miss, so? Somebody have search up my pocket.
So hold on there, what is that?
Why I don't know that rich in my pocket now, brother?
Hey boy, you know, see you take man.
That rich in my pocket.
Yo, hold him there.
Yo, I don't know.
You walk.
Relax.
You go get a look. This a finger you come off, you know. You hear me? I tell you. Put your finger. Put it up. Tell her this. No. From. Quit.
Mr. Boy, auntie, me tired, you see?
I can't see you're tired, so I'll give you a little water for drink.
Can't even turn on, because I want to go up and see your daddy are going. Because I not even know the purpose of Roxanne right now, because she not help him out.
Why should I help him?
No. Me only see her up there, so I fear just do what I can do.
Here,
Alright, thanks.
you're welcome.
So you not out this way, you see, man?
Why my niece me proud of you? You turn one piece of big one for me. Till you all the work and they can't take care of a piece of greedy father.
Boy, auntie, me have to do the best, Remember I used to steal my father, If you do what he did, I try to sell me out. Me have to do the best I can. I have to do it, man. I forgive him, but me nah, and mom, not gonna forget. So, anything I can do, me I try to do it because you see him foot broke. Me no want ring go come broke in, so me have to do what I can do. And he saying change, the other day I go to talk to him, he saying change, and me kind of see little changes, and me at work with him to see if it go continue the way. So I just do the best I can. It would be hard cause I never imagine myself working so hard for pay off bills when I know so kinda about me I do it.
Wayne have a good daughter. But come to think about it, look on the good daughter Wayne have. We really would have can take care of him if anything even worse and broke foot happened to him. Like you would have did it for him.
Then see that then.
At the end of the day, him not see that. He make the devil turn him in an idiot. But don't worry yourself. God will bless you back for everything we are doing.
No.
And me go help you with the money.
No, auntie, you don't have to do that, man.
What you mean me not have to do? Even though we ain't corrupt, and stay so, Me myself forgive him, but me not too show him it, cause I don't think go back go do it again, although me don't trust him. Me still not trust him. But me could just go and take care of him until he foot better for see what he up to. Me go give you some money. You put it on the money we have and give him, or if you don't want to give him, give Ringo yourself.
Me give Ringo myself, me not give him no money.
Alright. I'll get some money for you.
Alright, auntie.
Listen, put this on the money where you have already to give Ringo. Right?
Yeah.
But take this to yourself. If you go and support you for the time, help make pay for fear, buy lunch and do whatever. I have to go to work, man.
Alright,
Now when you spend out a little money where you have, cause remember say you have to take care of your father the same way. So don't worry yourself, just take that.
Me thank you, me thank you.
You're welcome and me there here for you.
But me thank you.
Eh?
You never did have to do it, so me thank you.
You have to do it. You're my only niece. Alright, so take care of yourself.
Alright, auntie, later.
Proud of you. As me tell you before, until Wayne say one night time we can look for him again, here.
Alright, later. Yeah, girl, so me say, tomorrow me gonna finish fill you in for something, cause me I gotta deal with this something, you know. Alright. Oh boy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so.
Alright, where's the other babes? Come here now.
Yeah, go up and you go start out some things.
You know, say, friend, you come here, come look for me. You not even spend one day with me.
Because a long time in a day, so I have to check a few people, make them know see me in a place.
Yeah, but I know them make you come down here and me. Me really
But
need
you
help.
don't need me. You don't need. You see, you was able to throw the juice. You was able to get up out of the bed and come to the kitchen. You're alright, man.
So what you say, Adu? You stay there, you go to country,
Well,
you
me
depend
not
on
plan
where
to
you
go down this evening or earlier, man. Because you don't need me and the money run out, so it really make no sense.
So because I money make you go down back?
And you don't need me.
I need you, man. I need you for moral support, you know. And I need little loving from you come. I don't get nothing, you know.
Well, if you did have a little money, then maybe something could have gone. But me and still have to go out there and get it.
Alright. Here me I go do. My daughter did a stash one little money one side. For help me with the foot and for give back a Ringo. I go take out a little thing out of it and give you. That will make you stay?
It depends on what little. Just let me get it. You'll find a way to pay it back. Let me get it, man. Which part you want me to go feed or
No, come here go in the room.
get the money, make me check it then now.
Alright.
Just take a look at time, you know. Wait. You know, so complicated like you make it seem.
Oh yeah, what make you call me Ringo?
True, yes, a ringer break your foot, and every time I look at your foot, a ringer come to my mind. So, you know, I constantly have to think about ringer. Can't be so ringer do this. Let me get him money, car. If I never need to go. You have to understand, you know, me busy, and me tell us I'm try to catch up back with my friend them and thing. Me money.
Alright. I'm gonna tip on you where she
Why
get.
piece of tin?
Stop that no man. You move too greedy, you know. God know you move greedy. Alright, what you say, you know?
700? This
Our
not
100,000 not enough.
I second time you say I give me 7. Oh, do you make it sound like enough money? Not enough money, but we make it do.
Alright, so you say you come in, come rub me back for me.
Just so you know, you know, this guy want to keep me for 1 week in a but come. Take your time, take your time. Come on, take your time.
Today was so draining. Can't put on the money. So alright. Alright, so I'm gonna put 4 bills on this, 3 bills to go my car. Alright. So what top? Why this look like it's short? Well,
Yeah, what happened?
I need to talk to you.
Alright, me I come.
When you're going on my jaw,
We are talk about going to withdraw, what happened?
I just got 7 bills come here. And that's why I'm going to draw for add for the money what I have in there. 7 bills missing.
Me no know, you sure say that you put Niger?
Look for me good. You feel like saying me take out the money and me not gonna remember? Me not see now, you know.
Alright, me no want lie to you. You know, so Roxanne did not want a little difficulty since she come down here and me just did take out one little thing out of it. Me just put it back. Cause she promised me say she'll give me back, you know. And me just take out a little thing and lend her.
You know, so me no want disrespect you. Me don't. What you call little thing? The money when me a save back for give Ringo for take you out of problem. You take the money and give Roxanne, daddy? You take the money and give Roxanne?
Me never mean for this happen, you know. Me just just lend her a little thing cause she tell me say she don't want a little problem.
See why you always in a problem? Because you put people before yourself. What you mean? You're in a problem when you need help and you give Roxanne the money, daddy? You give Roxanne the money when not even there with you?
Me I'll get it back and fix this.
That you see a month ago. And look where you fix. Eh? Look what happened to you.
Boy, my daughter, I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry.
Me can't do this. Me can't do this. Me think say you change she better, but you change for worse, daddy. It's alright, you know, Wayne. Me know what I'm going to do, you know. Me know what I'm going to do. Just don't worry it, man.
Sorry about that, my daughter.
It's all alright, man.
Sorry.
You alright?
No, boy. Me don't know nothing. I'm stressing. Sorry, I'm stressing.
What's stressful?
I just left work and come back here to hear me now. Remember the other day I told you so never try to help my father because I don't know why we got intention and I say you talk to me. I start save up some money and have the money in my drawer. But the thing is my father have one woman in send her country and she come back. You know all of a sudden she come back. And we go in today for put some money upon the money I already have. I realize say money missing. So I call him and I say, because he's the only one who did it. Because he's not dead.
Yeah.
So I say, Wayne, you're going on my draw. You see at first, Then tonight, me not going to draw and you must know where to do the money. And then him a go say, he can't do this no more. Into rocks and the money cause just for the woman here. Me say, well, really? Really, we and after me I try to help you out?
Why your father not change?
You see? And him saying go and change and nothing not change. Because me can't believe him really do that, you know? Me cannot believe him really do that. And him not say when me really need the money to pay off Ringo because me don't want Ringo to do nothing, you know. And him not say that. You really don't know what to do. Sorry. I feel like I'm just going to load the Ringo situation and give up and just load it.
See how much you almost have enough money to pay about Ringo?
Because he take the whole of the money get the woman. So if me did have half, me not have none now. So me don't know for the me just feel like I'm going to give up. Me feel like I'm just going to left it. Make anything happen. Because me can't bother. Me cannot bother.
Alright, listen to me. Yes. You know some love her. And you know say deep down, even though you might say you're going to just left Ringo for just do whatever you want to your father. You know say deep down you love your father. And one thing in our life, we can never choose with family. We can never choose with family. We can choose who we deal with, we can choose who we work for, we can choose all kind of stuff, but we cannot choose who our family. So
You don't know what to do. Honestly.
this is what we can do. Me have some money, save up. Like,
I don't feel like this, you know. But
listen, me have some money save up and how much of this are your father owing go?
200.
Me have around 3,000 US. You can get and you pay off Ringo.
So much more for the pay though.
You don't have to pay me back. What you have to pay me back for? Alright, listen to me. We really care about you. And I don't want to see nothing wrong with you. You don't have to pay me back. You understand?
Okay. Okay.
So, just don't stress yourself out.
Okay.
Everything is alright.
Alright.
So, let's send you money for let's send you money. So you can pay back later.
Later.
But this means that we're back together, right?
Alright.
One, answer the question. We are back together now?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll call you.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Me know you hear me, you know.
Oh, what going?
Me need to talk to you.
Let's say I going now.
Hey, your money me bring come give you, you know. Me know not talking with you.
Oh, but like that, I say your father not even know the nice, that's a nice great daughter I have.
I wish me know why you no contact, no deal with nothing with you. Say I alright, so check your money.
Alright, but just say no. Um,
I don't wanna trust for you, you know. So everything good now, Mr. Ringo?
I'm checking.
Are we cool, Mr. Ringo?
Yeah, my cousin cool.
Me know me give him money, so me no want you to see my father and nothing because there you go, you have it.
Everything good, man. I hate this, sir. I hate this, sir. Respect here. Because I only a pity say you never have say like one of them girl. You could have keep all of this money for yourself, you know. All if you give me.
So your daughter come live with you fully now?
No, so you know, say normally she come in on Friday and Monday she go home back, isn't it?
Oh.
So we have to co-parent, you know. Even though we're not there, we have to co-parent.
Well, I understand. As long as me still I get to see you. Wait, the mother can't answer this.
Yeah, then. So say I want.
Roxy.
When me dey on the road I pick up some stuff
Yo, nobody sounds up on the phone, man. Which part today? You know one of your friend? Alright. You know some me have a little thing for you. Come link me down at my yard
If
here.
me can come link you in your yard. You have to give me 5 minutes.
Alright.
Alright. I'll move me later. Alright.
Why say you have Spanish woman with you?
Ringo. Me have to go with you.
I want him.
Because my mother said she sent down something for me, so I have to go pick it up.
I mean, send down something for you. I mean,
She sent something when I asked her for, because when I come down here, I in a rush. So I end up left some stuff, so I asked her she could have sent it for me. So she said, read some, but I have to go in and go pick it up. And it come from public transportation, so I know and then go back with it.
so I'm coming there.
No, Ringo, no worry about it. Like I said, I can make a couple stops too, so you know, it wouldn't make no sense.
You sure you know I'm coming there?
No, alright, man, I gotta run when I come back. Just later, I can link you.
Alright, do that though.
Alright, later. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, okay.
Wayne,
Me and some man, come.
give me what you give me.
Hold on, man. We are rush, so we soon get to that, man.
You tell me say you have something to give me and my rush come down here and tell me about my for wait. That's something I do now.
Alright, I will like a reason there before me get a thing. Come here, have something for you. More you think about this scene. You come down here, I ask if you come down here to help me. Because my foot broke and I can't move on by myself. For you come down here to me, all interested in our money. And for you reaching here, me dipping in my daughter money. When I have to give ring on to help take care of my medical bills. And give you. And imagine, me pass and see you sit down on Ringo lap. Eh? You are Ringo in things?
Will you turn see me a Ringo? Eh? Why you watch me? Wayne, why you watch me? And then you go talk about you take out your daughter money. Me did force you to do that? Me tell you say me I leave and you take it upon yourself to go take the money give me.
You literally force me.
And me never force you for that. No look no sympathy yes to come now time for give me money make me go on.
Listen. You shouldn't even ask me for no money again.
And me begging no honor you call me.
You me I tell you say. Just want to tell you say, yo, stay with Ringo, man.
You don't worry about that cause Ringo will fix my business for me.
More fix your business with you. You greedy now.
The comet is coming. December 31st said the comet is coming. They said the comet is coming.
Yo, we said that song there why teacher dropping a man, the comet in a man. It's a bad song, you know. Where they pan? They say just a come in.
Yeah, man, me there, man, so you're the
Boy, over me yard, me there do some work earlier, I say.
But you had to do work, and you know hear what I go on.
I mean, what I go on?
So you don't know, say. If me there when me see you with, you tall, one day.
Yeah. You want me carrying that case?
So you don't know, say. Yeah, man, your brother, where you broke your foot, man.
Oh, when?
He me see him, man.
So what go on?
Yeah, man, say you don't know, say my lucky he be there when me see you with.
I mean, lucky be. I talk to me straight, man. Where you say him?
Yeah, me no man. He man lucky too, you know.
I mean him a lock it. You see them somewhere?
So if me never see them, I couldn't come and tell you.
Okay. So they in there.
Yeah, man, they in there, man.
So a fool a girl they want to take me for. Alright.
Aye, I don't really know what Mr. tell you me. No see I go on.
Alright, let's say a word. A girl thing. Me know what to do.
Mm,
You think?
yeah, man.
Me no feel no way, you know.
No, you need a Ringo, man.
No feel.
No, you need a Ringo. Eh?
Yeah, but yeah, just me so come here.
Yeah, man.
Me so come.
Yeah, man. Shut up where you shut up, man. Eh.
I'll go and go.
Sit down here, sir.
So move me sit down and you're going to.
How you come down here too?
I mean, come down here too. You come down here too.
And me make her come down here.
Yeah, why you asking that too?
My girl, not like a fool to you. Eh?
You know.
Say I try a town craft and try use for a man.
Talk to me in the ring where you talk about.
Yeah, me I say, no Wayne there.
Me and who?
Wayne.
No, me and Wayne there. Who tell you that too?
My girl, look like a fool to you. Look for me good. Yo, don't laugh with me, man. Now I'm to you.
Me and Wayne there. You tell me say me and Wayne there, me and Wayne do there.
Some of them here say around there say you're there. From when?
Broke pocket Wayne. Me and Wayne down there, my love. Wayne have nothing to give me.
Yo, I'm see. Why in your pocket? Cause I true man no kill man enough.
What you mean why in my pocket?
Yeah, turn up,
Stop it in the ring, girl.
make man a day.
Wait, now what do you? Why you searching
Yeah,
me?
turn up, Pastor girl.
So
And we
give
ain't
me
get
some
them
more
from-
time now. We ain't give me no money, we ain't broke.
Me know me US them, you know. Me know me US
We
them.
ain't a ring at the last money that I have, you know.
Hear me I tell you, say. You can't take bad man for fool, you hear?
Ringo, man, not take you for fool, baby.
Don't touch me, man. I'm
Wait,
here.
why you asking me to take you for fool?
Hear me I say. You go back a Sav, take a bus, go back a town, and then you take for a bus around town and go to St. Thomas. Here. True. And make sure say you go straight there, $100 me I
Keep
give.
this and give me that.
Listen, you move fast, I'm going to kick you down.
Ringo.
Go on, that's what I'm
I'm
going
going to you.
You me tell you, say, yo, don't ramp with me.
Alright.
Cause you can try going, you can take man for fool. I true man, I do man nothing, you know.
Wayne, where really I go?
My daughter, stop calling me Wayne, man. Me your father and a man, say daddy.
All you in a pain, you still a walk up and then you can't stay in one place.
I want to rest the foot, man, but God know me have to come down, come really make me amends with what I do. Yeah, but me come to apologize, cause me know what me do wrong. God know me do wrong, double wrong. Me just a fool. Me shouldn't continuously make them a mistake over and over.
You tell me say you change, you know. You tell me say you change and me just find it in my heart and me say alright. People make mistakes and then go and learn from it. But you not learn from it, you just a hard on from it.
No, man.
Roxanne just come back from country, you know.
Right now, I not want to hear nothing about Roxanne. Cause worst part about it is that me take your money what you have for give Ringo and give Roxanne. I imagine Roxanne and Ringo there.
A good feel. You not live and learn, you know. You don't live and learn. Why me no know every time me try to just look over things just
Me
get
sorry,
worse.
man. Me sorry. God know me sorry. Me sorry. I promise you. This a time me promise you.
with all of my heart.
It's a comfort to a fool, you know.
Well, me I promise and me I promise myself, we will never do nothing like this again. But with a matter of fact, right now I'm willing to go work and help, even on a broke foot, go find something to do. If just help, if you push off that sitting with Ringo.
No, we're ready, you know. Because me already pay off Ringo, so you
You
alright.
already pay Ringo already?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, my daughter, me thank you. Me thank you. And I just want you to know, say, me love you. Regardless of everything, me love you. And me come to my senses now and know, say, yo, everything when me did do was just greed and me destroying the relationship when me have between me and you.
It's alright, Daddy. Everything is alright. You never pressure yourself. Because one thing you know, you grow a good girl, and when I go make because of your dirty ways and your deeds them where you people, make me hate you. I'm going to forgive you, and you're going to make this the last chance me I give you, and you're going to make this chance count.
Yes, my daughter. I'm sorry. As I say, I'm sorry. I'm not make this happen again, alright?
It's alright. You can check your money if you want. What?
What's that?
Hey.
Wait.
Come, ready?
Me, you and Roxanne, one day here. And when would I take
No, Roxanne there.
you know there?
Me alone there.
Roxanne also.
Roxanne, just come on, go in and really see Roxanne.
Serious, say cancel.
Okay.
Action.
Me and you one day.
Action.
It's alright, you know. It's alright, Wayne. Me know what I'm going to do, you know. Me know what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry about that.
It's all good. It's all alright.
You know, some people who don't have money, they can't always buy 3-4 black magic for you, because they're cheap.
If they have money.
They don't have money. Watch me for? Where you watch me for? That I think they change all the time.
Like one I schedule. Ready?
Where you watch me for? You think
Me had a long time. You don't worry about that. Ringo will fix my little business for me.
you want to fix your business with you? Yeah, man, bring her up, fix your business for you. So I fix it. No, they got just you want fix my foot.
So, Daddy, you have to tell her she's greedy, you know. Before she walk away, she's greedy.
No, I said, don't worry about that. Ring her up, fix my business. Say, you're right, I'll fix your business for you.
Yo, are you and a US? Me never did a count. I don't like a $1.
No, man, because
Just tell him, say, yo, anybody that come, just give them some money. Ready now? Ready now, action.
swear what can I see, girl?
Yeah, hello?
Well, yeah, we want
Add someone, mommy.
Yeah. Oh, your phone, I don't have my foot.
Let's close here.
Broke our father. So, Rolanda, you mean a Wayne daughter?
You mean, say, Wayne daughter, I see him one, but Wayne did that size, give me. Are you a girl?
Yeah.
You also think, say, boy, you know, look too bad, you know, but.
Leopard no change, they ain't spot, you know.
Whoop.
Ready now, action. You know, so still, if you ain't just daydream, but all this not right.
You should have stared me in the man. Come again. You should throw me in
You know, so think, daddy. You know, see, you upset me, daddy.
Yeah, upset me, though. Because
Alright, sorry about that. I mean, just do not think. I mean, sometimes, you know, me think, I say things, I mean, I say.
Yeah, hold him there. Cause you see I take man thing for joke thing, don't it?
I don't know that Richard.
You don't know my name. You don't know you don't know my name, don't it? So how come my money it told them I come in?
See you, Don.
Yeah man, yeah man. Yeah.
Continue.
Finger.
Yeah man, tell finger say me car.
Man, I laugh.
No, what is that?
Tell fingers of Charlie. Finger Smith.
What finger? What's up?
You can't call him no finger smith, man. You can't have no last name for that. Because that Lou.
Finger.
No.
Finger Smith, I want him to.
Brother, finger smith.
Qualities on him, Finger Smith, you know.
Yeah, man, but that any last name for the finger, no, that's not sound good. Yo.
Hmm.
Yeah, man, as me I say. Friday day the money now reflecting on the pan, dog. I say that the man they talk to you towards you know. Yeah. But yo. At the machine. The machine.
Yeah. No, sir, walk one.
Right it. You have to break up a one winger foot.
I- All right.
What is on? Tell him say, unblock me.
And black me. Well, yeah man, I still care about you still. Some talk to him.
So,
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
If you're hearing the sound of my voice, it simply means that you have watched the video to the end. All right, so we have a whole heap of topic we want to talk about at the end of the video. You see me? And we're going to touch them one by one. So the first thing we want to talk about is the other day, one of our camera mash up, and I am lucky enough that I got some help to buy back a camera. I not buy it back yet, but me get the help. All right, with that said, what I try to do is if I can get more help, to buy one next one to so I can have an additional one put on, because the challenge is that when you only have two cameras, if one mash up, it simply means that you're going to be without one extra camera. So we want to buy an extra one put on, and we also want to buy one next laptop too, because we only have one. So if the laptop go bad, we don't have a next laptop to edit. And we want to put those things in place. Also, when we did a shoot, pop the balloon or die, my drone did fly away, and I never mentioned it on any other video them, and I said, boy, we need help to buy back a drone. But if you are listening and you want to contribute, it does not necessarily mean that it's to buy a drone, but just a general say, contribute towards what we are doing. Link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and contribute towards what we are doing. All right, so let me touch on the last topic before we come out for a video. I know I mentioned some time ago about this grant that the government is giving to filmmakers in Jamaica to help develop the film industry, and I mentioned that it's a $1 billion grant. So what I did was that I went ahead and wrote a script, do all of the necessary things that they asked for, and I submitted to them. So recently I got an email saying that me never pass the process in terms of to get the grant. So I did a live the other day and I kind of vent on it, and I gotta just make a little statement about that on this video. And this is me saying, and me alone I said, people say it to me, I am one of those filmmakers in Jamaica that I make one movie every week. So on a regular basis, the least amount of movies I post on YouTube is 3 movies per month. I sometimes post up to 5 or 6 movies for one specific month. And I don't think there is another person like myself in Jamaica that does so much movies. And not only does so much movies, but at the level and the quality that I do it. So therefore, in my humble opinion, me I say, why wouldn't I be one of those persons who qualify if you get the grant? Because if you're talking about developing a film industry in Jamaica, I think that you would have wanted to give it to persons who are actively making films and somebody who has the film industry in Jamaica at heart and want to see it develop. But me not get it. So my aim is that if there are persons out there who interested in producing a film, you have some money and you like what we are do and you see which part it a go and you want to reach out to it and we can see how it work where me will write the script, me will find the actors and me will find the location, me do everything. All me need from you is just the finance and the funds to really buy some wardrobe, you know, if me need to rent a car, if me need to get to a place, if me need to find food, things like those, so we can make some proper movie, so we can go outside of YouTube with it. Because to be honest, me not see the government are going to help in a no form of way as it pertains to help we develop what we are doing. We have to do it by ourselves. That's just the bottom line. So if persons want to help, reach out, Richard Brown Films on Instagram, richardbrownfilms@gmail.com if you want to send me an email. Or maybe see if I can put my telephone number across the screen so you can call me or WhatsApp me and tell me so you want to help, because we want to get back to that place there and we want to make moves and we want to make things happen. But we can't do it without proper funding. You see me? So we can't fool ourselves about that. We can do what we are doing on YouTube, but if we think about taking it to the next level, it has to be money, have to be involved. So when you reach out to me, make us see how we can make this thing work. And as always, continue to do the right thing. Share up the video, tell a friend, and we're almost at 200,000 subs. So you know it's a beer work. So big up on yourself. Alright, good. Alright, Alton. You have to come finish edit.